In hardware-driven organizations, accuracy, control, and visibility are everything. That's why companies rely on analysts who can combine business data with an audit mindset and deliver reliable, decision-ready insights. If you're looking to build a career at the intersection of data, hardware, and financial oversight, this course is built for you. A business data analyst, hardware, supports reporting and analytics across sales, supply chain, warranty, and operations. You'll build dashboards, run ad hoc analysis, and ensure data-driven decisions remain compliant and audit-ready. This is a role where business acumen, SQL skills, and a controls mindset come together, and where your work directly impacts how leadership makes decisions. As a business data analyst, you will perform exception testing across business and financial data, use analytics to support audit and controls monitoring, build dashboards and recurring reports for leadership, analyze sales, supply, warranty, and operational performance, document findings and maintain audit-ready evidence, drive continuous improvement through data-backed insights. In this course, you will build strong foundations in audit and controls concepts applied through analytics, advanced Excel and SQL for testing and reporting, a controls-focused, risk-aware analytical mindset. You'll gain hands-on experience with Excel, SQL, Power BI, and exposure to ACL, IDEA used in audit analytics. This course is ideal for professionals with audit and analytics backgrounds who want to work in data-driven roles within hardware-focused organizations. Whether you're transitioning from audit into analytics or looking to specialize in hardware operations, this program gives you the skills and credibility to make the move. Your career path? Business data analyst to senior analyst to audit manager or controls lead. With the right skills and the right training, you don't just get a job, you build a career that compounds. Here's everything you need to know. Course duration 12 weeks, daily live sessions 2 hours, early bird offer, 20% off taught by industry professionals who have worked in audit analytics and hardware operations, not just academics. If you want to build a career where audit discipline meets business analytics, this course will prepare you for high-impact roles in hardware and audit-focused organizations. Enroll now and secure your early bird discount.